DJI Mic 2 necklace wire works quite well. Is about at the right angle I need it at. Test 1, 2, 3. How do I sound? DJI Mic 2. Test 2. Noise reduction. Test 1, 2, 3, 4. How do I sound? Test 5. DJI internal audio camera sound only. How do I sound? Test 1, 2, 3, 4. How do I sound? Test 6. DJI default. Nothing on, no pro, nothing. How do I sound? Test 1, 2, 3, 4. How do I sound? Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you very much for joining the show. I did about 6, 7, 8 tests, and they all started with the DJI mic, artificial intelligence, the DJI mic, and internal recording. And you got it, the camera on Pro and just basically default. So it gives you an idea of how I sound with the microphone. DJIM2 app, transmitter, not available yet. DJI Mic 2, Osmo Action 4, you have a number of settings you can control. You have 32-bit, the vibration, you have the LED light, and you have the low cut. And the wind just went across this whole microphone. Now, if you have the Pocket 3, you have also just about those features and a little more maybe. The Osmo Action 4 only allows one connection to a microphone. You can take another mic and connect it, but you must pair it. And that'll cut this one out and just that one. The DJI mic standalone only can be hooked up to a computer, and you have everything available to you of no artificial noise canceling at all. It's disabled, and you have no internal recording at all, and that is disabled. Those are the only two things they take away from you, and you just have a DJI Mic 2 to use. You don't have anything else available for you. The standalone smartphone, you have no controls. DJIM2 app, you have no controls. On your desktop, you have no controls. Limited control, Pocket 3, and whatever they are. Limited control on the Osmo Action 4 and what they are. You have a monitor volume, you have a LED indicator, you have a vibration on and off, low cut noise, 32-bit recording, format the DJI Mic 2 and the version. And please forgive me if I forget anything. And also turn the LED lights on and off. There should be a little bit more that we would want in the Osmo Action 4 and whatever's in the Pocket 3 as well. On your computer, like we said, you got nothing. And on your smartphone, you got nothing. And on your, you got it, standalone, you got nothing. So, yeah, what would you need? That receiver. That receiver does it all. It allows you to set up your transmitter the way you want. These are the things we want for our DJI Mic 2 as a standalone. We want it all. And they offered you a very basic model, and you have to read what it says on the standalone. And if you don't, then this is what happens. You get people wanting features, and they already have the features. Did you know that when you hook this up to a computer that you have disabled the noise reduction and the internal recording? Those are the two things that are disabled. So you just have a basic microphone. That is it. So if you're going out for a Bluetooth microphone for your computer, laptop, that's all you're going to get. It's just a microphone. And you want your smartphone, and you just hook it up to Bluetooth, and the app that you're using for internal recording video or whatever, you're going to get your basic microphone. And DJI has offered you a standalone transmitter for other accessories. And how sweet is that? It may not be to your liking, but that's the way DJI is. They didn't have to offer it to anything else but the cameras, and they've given you additional. Don't hate me for it. If you're interested in getting yourself a DJI mic, and it does a nice job, the vibration is a nice feature when you start stop if you fail it. And the wind muff goes on. You only get a single wind muff, and it's made with metal around the actual piece and not plastic, so it won't break. And it fits on, doesn't get lost, and keep it on all the time. You do a great job. If you use a lavalier mic, you no longer have that RF issue. So the mic has been improved, and people want 32-bit float, and here we are today. I thought I'd make a video of a test, share it to you, and see if you like it. And if you come across the channel and you want to get one, check the descriptions below. I'll put one there, and you have a choice to make down the road. If it's standalone, a single kit, or the full kit may be for you. If not, I got some stuff here for you. I have a dresser, I have some tanks, and I have some drawers. It's all up to you. I'll leave it out there for you. Hey, I'm Fish, and I see you on many other videos to come, and hope to catch you later. I will see you on another review. Have a great day, and catch you on other videos.